Good morning, dear students. Let us learn maths. Kindly take your textbook, page number 155, 156 and 157. Page number 155, 156 and 157. Let's continue lesson number 6, calendar. Dear students, in the previous class we have learned about days and week, isn't it? Now let's see month. There are 12 months. There are 12 months in a year. The first month is January. The first month of the year is January. Okay, let's see months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months. Okay. Dear students, you see January. The short form of January is JAN. February. The short form of February is FEB. March. March short form is MAR. April. April short form is APR. May. MAY. June. JUN. July. July short form JUL. August. AUG. September. SEP. October. October short form OCT. November. November short form NOV. December. December short form DEC. DEC. Did you get it? Dear students, after December it is January. After December it is January again. Some months have 30 days. Some have 31 days. But February has 28 or 29 days. January, March, May, July, August, October and December have 31 days each. April, June, September and November have 30 days each. February is different. February is different. Generally, it has 28 days. It has 29 days in a leap year. Generally, February has 28 days, but in leap year, it is 29 days. How to remember? Each knuckle is 31 days and between each knuckle is 30 days. January, March, May, July, August, October, December have 31 days and April, June, September, November have 30 days. February has 28 or 29 days. Dear students, let's come to the exercise number 1. Look at the calendar given below and fill in the blanks. The first month of the year is dash. In the blank you have to write January. The first month of the year is January. The last month of the year is December. So you have to write December. The month that comes just after September is dash. You have to write in the blank October. After September what comes? October, isn't it? The month that comes before July is June. So you have to write June. the month between April and June is May. So you have to write down May. Now let's see year. 12 months together make a year. 12 months together make a year. 1 year equal to 12 months. In 1 year, how many months are there? 12 months. 1 year equal to 12 months. 1 year equal to 52 weeks. In 1 year, how many weeks are there? 52. 1 year equal to 365 days. In 1 year, how many days are there? 365 days. 1 month equal to 30 or 31 days. Okay. 1 month equal to 4 weeks. In 1 month, how many weeks are there? 4 weeks. Let's see leap year. A leap year has 1 day more than an ordinary year. A leap year has 1 day more than an ordinary year. Dear students, an ordinary year has 365 days. An ordinary year has 365 days. A leap year has 366 days. A leap year has 366 days. In a leap year, February has 1 extra day. Okay. In a leap year, February has 1 extra day. It has 29 days. A leap year comes once in 4 years. Dear students, please remember, a leap year comes once in 4 years. That's all for today. Hope you got it. Dear students, this exercise you have to learn from your textbook itself. Okay. Thank you, dear students.